Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your location in Craigslist. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It's quite easy. This right here is the interface of Craigslist. Now let's simply try to change the location. On the right side of the screen, you'll see something like Australia, Asia, Pacific, and CI worldwide. Well, from here, select the country of your choice and just the cities. For now, I'm simply gonna select this one, and as you can see, the page has reloaded and now I have changed my city. Likewise, I can change the continent as well. I'm just gonna click to CI worldwide, and from here select the continent that I would like to go. For now, let's simply go to Americas, and from the multiple options provided, select the one of your choice. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your location in Craigslist. It's quite easy. All you have to do is focus on the right side of the screen. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.